Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel for another clean and decorate. So in today's video I'm going to be redoing the kitchen. I didn't really like how it turned out. It's really kind of dark and gloomy and I don't think the decorations are helping, so I want to try and brighten it up with a few more neutral colours. And I also went ahead and picked up another garland from IKEA the other day to put along the top of the cabinets, because I think that always looks so good when I see other people doing it. So I wanted to give that a go myself. I've also got a couple of bits that I want to change in the front room as well as like the guest downstairs toilet room. I don't really know what to call it, just downstairs toilet, because yeah, that's just where the guests go, and I want to try and make it nice and festive, because I do tend to just forget about that room because I don't use it, but I need to try and get on top of it, give it a good clean, give it a decorate, and just get it nice and festive. So there is lots of cleaning motivation in today's video, as well as home decor inspiration. So I really hope you enjoy it. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so this is what we're working with in the kitchen. It just needs a quick tidy up and then a good clean and wipe down before we can start decorating, which is always my favorite thing to do. So I'm just gonna jump straight in and we can go from there.
There was a time when I was lonely. I was trying hard to get by, taking day by day. But baby, then you came along. I know I never felt that strong. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. My soul wanted healing consolation. You and me were in the moment we've been waiting for. Come summer, winter, fall or spring, no matter what the future brings, nothing's gonna hold us down, 'cause we are taking off the ground now.
So once I had everything tidied away, it was time to go ahead and do some redecorating. I'm just going to take away a few things that I don't want to use and then add in this gorgeous cake stand that I picked up from IKEA the other day. I thought it would be perfect to add a bit of height into this corner and just to keep everything nice and neutral, and I just love how it turned out.
We'll get there by and by. Nothing's gonna hold us down.
I also went ahead and picked up this really pretty pot from IKEA. I love like the little handles on the side. It just looks kind of antique-y, and I'm going to use it for my wooden spoons, which I do want to pick a few more of those up, but I just love the look. You can also put a plant in that pot if you want to. There's just so many different ways to use it, so I'm really looking forward to moving that around the house. But I'm just going to go ahead and add the other one at the other side just to kind of balance it out a little bit, and then go in and change the windowsill. I feel like this was just a little bit too heavy and it made it look darker, so I just wanted to keep it really minimal and just let as much light in as possible. And I'm now just going to go ahead and add some garland that I picked up from IKEA on top of the cabinets. I see so many people on YouTube doing this and it looks so pretty, so I really wanted to give it a go, and I just love the final look.
Next to me, let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you've gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me.
So I am loving how it's looking up here. I don't think it's too bad for £6, but I do need to grab some more command hooks because they are just sort of placed up there. I thought I had more, but I don't. So hopefully they don't fall down before I manage to get some. But I put all of like my jugs and stuff at the top because I just love having white jugs out in the kitchen. So yeah, I think it's coming together really nicely. Like I said, I just need to make sure that they don't fall down before I get some more.
The one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you've gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely
So I've been looking for one of these wooden dough bowls for such a long time, and I found quite a few online for like £50. So when I saw this one in the local garden centre for £18, I was so excited. I knew that it was coming straight home with me, and then I went to B&M and picked up a few more of these gold baubles because I just love how they look on the tree, and it just makes a perfect centrepiece. And it's definitely not somewhere I thought of looking, so definitely check out any local garden centres near you if you want to get a few more little unique pieces.
Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Still holding tight through every fight, 'cause sometimes I can see through the echo of every day, always the same.
So I'm now going through into the downstairs toilet, and I just want to give it a good clean before I add any decor, but I also just wanted to add a little pop of Christmas. So any decor that I wasn't really using around the house is what I decided to use in here. I definitely didn't go out and buy anything new or anything like that, but I just wanted to go ahead and give it a little bit of a Christmas cheer in here. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a good clean and start decorating.
Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call.
So I've been wanting to paint in here for like over a year, probably more than that. Just paint it white and get rid of the magnolia, because I'm just not a fan of the magnolia, and I think it just brightens up the space and makes it feel super clean and fresh when it's white, and I just haven't got around to it. So I think that's what I'm going to be doing in the next few weeks. So definitely go ahead and follow me over on Instagram if you don't already. For the before and after, I do show more behind the scenes and just more home decorating, home decor inspo, and all that good stuff over on Instagram. So if you do want to see what it looks like afterwards, definitely go and follow me. I'll have my handle on the screen here, and I'll also have the link down in the description box.
Young, and we didn't want to be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never wearing proper clothes. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, you know.
Okay, so after straightening up the bedroom, the final thing that I wanted to do was hang the wreath on the front door, and this is actually the first year I've ever had a wreath on the front door, and I am obsessed. I think it looks so pretty. I'm definitely going to be having one every year going forward because I just love what it looks like. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Please do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, because I really would love to have you here, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys back here in the next one.